The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV. It's built on the same platform as the Nissan Titan, which means it has a powerful V8 engine under the hood. This makes it great for towing and hauling cargo. But what really sets the Armada apart is its luxurious interior. It's packed with features like leather seats, heated and cooled cup holders, and even a panoramic sunroof. Plus, there's plenty of space in the back seat for passengers or gear. One thing that might surprise you about the Armada is how well it handles off-road. With all-wheel drive capability, it can tackle tough terrain without breaking a sweat. And if you need to haul something heavy, the Armada won't let you down either. Its towing capacity is impressive at over 500 pounds when properly equipped. So whether you're looking for an SUV that can handle your daily commute or take you on weekend adventures, the Nissan Armada is worth considering. Thanks for watching.